Hi guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a vendor. A vendor. A vendor basically means a store, a company, a restaurant, uh, whichever the case may be for you. So the first thing is you're gonna log in as an admin. So in my case, I'm using the demo account. So now after you log in, looking at the menu, you need to look out for the word vendors. So you click on vendors. You will see the list of already created vendors. But in our case, we are creating a new one. So we basically have to click on the new. Now we need to fill in the information of the vendor. So let's just call it test vendor. Again, it's like vendor. We have the parcel, we have the food, the grocery, pharmacy, and services. It also depends because you have the opportunity to change these names. I'll do another video for that. So let's create a full. You enter the phone number, so I'm just going to enter something. Um, so in this, I'm going to enter the address. So just going to see. Okay. So you select, then the location will be auto populated for you. Now in the categories, you can select different categories. In our case, I'm just going to select any category. Now, um, there's a settings here that says add subcategories. If you enable this, it means that in the app, when the user opens the profile, when they and the details of that vendor, they will see the main categories first. Then when they click on the categories, then they get to see the subcategories and the products under those subcategories. So in our case, we are not using that. We want the products to show directly on the vendor's page. So we will not set that. Right now, you also have the option to set the minimum order amount, then the maximum order amount. In our case, we're gonna say 10, 500. And you have base delivery fee and delivery fee. Base delivery fee is the amount that the delivery fee that will be added to the delivery fee irrespective of whatever the delivery calculation is. So five, I'm gonna charge 10. I'm gonna save like 100 kilometer radius, meaning that customers within 100 kilometer radius of this address will be able to place an order with us, and we want it to be charged per kilometer. So that way, if the customer is like let's say 10 kilometers away from us, so it's gonna be 10 multiplied by the delivery fee plus the base delivery fee. We also want the customer to be able to come and pick up the item. We also have the option to deliver the item to the customer. Now, there's an option here that says schedule order. This basically means that the customer will have the option to schedule the order for another day. And we also have auto assignment, which means that the moment we place the order, the moment we set the status of the order to ready, nearby drivers will be notified to come and pick the order and deliver to the customer. So we're just gonna input that. Then As the admin, you can specify the commission you want to get from this particular vendor. So we're going to say 5% tax, depending on what your tax percentage is. So you can say, insert the logo. Then you have to select a feature image. So I'm going to use this as my feature image. So now at this point, you can check this to make it active. Now you click on save. There you go. You have a new vendor that is ready to start taking orders from customer. So in the next video, I will show you how to create a parcel delivery vendor and how to set up a parcel delivery vendor properly.